Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is the interest rate for the US dollar, the federal funds rate for the US dollar. So definitely going to be a very volatile day, which is why I am doing a special live stream today for the news event. Probably going to be close to a 2 hour live stream, so definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on later today's live stream for the news. I still think on the monthly time frame that this is going to end up going down. This is the monthly, so I still think it's going to take a very long time to play out, but I'm still looking at this as an A or maybe a 1. I'm still looking at this as 3 waves up for a B or a 2, and I still think it's going to go down for a wave C or a wave 3. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first move down is a trend, which I think is a 1. I still think this move up is a correction, which I think is a 2. I mean, it possibly could stretch out all the way to 78%. We don't really see that it's over yet. I think it will turn at one of these last two Fibonacci levels, though, and end up going back down for a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it was a little bit of a tricky pattern because I think what actually happened was that this was a flat 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. I think this was actually a little bit of a running flat because it's a higher high and a lower low, and then it ended up continuing the uptrend. So I still don't really see that this is over. I mean, maybe it will respect the 61.8, or maybe it will make a 1 for the 78.6. Either way, we're definitely going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames until proven otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we're definitely making higher highs, higher lows. As you can see, we do have some news coming out today for the US dollar. Like I said, a big news event, interest rate. Maybe it is going to go down initially, but I bet even if it does go down, that the trend will continue up. This news event is very, very famous for spike reversals, so definitely be careful you don't get trapped in one of those spike reversal entries. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it does kind of seem pretty likely to me that either prior to the news or at the news, this is going to go down. Whether or not it's going to be a spike reversal, I guess, is the question. I think it would make a lot of sense if it did actually go down and this was an ABC correction, and then it spiked reverse off one of these Fibonacci levels and ended up continuing the uptrend. The higher time frames definitely look to me like they're in an uptrend that is not over, and until these higher time frames tell me that this trend is over, I'm definitely primarily looking for longs in a uptrend at the end of ABC pullbacks especially. So don't forget to check out my free Discord linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website link down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.